Welcome to the Moorhead Titan Outlet store. In today's video, we are demonstrating a 2004 New Holland BR780 in good condition. This round baler produces 5x6 foot bales in its variable bale chamber and features XtraWide pickup with hydraulic lift, along with auto twine wrap control and hydraulic bale tensioner, and an electronic bale monitor and high flotation tires. Thank you for viewing this New Holland BR780. Interested in this round baler? Give our sales staff a call at 877-886-7010. Interested in viewing more equipment? Go online to TitanOutletStore.com. Titan Outlet Store. Guaranteed iron at a guaranteed steel.